Hey! In this video, we'll go through how to create studio-grade product shots using Morphic. You'll learn how to turn a single product photo into a high-end editorial gallery for your store or social media without a physical photo shoot. Let's start at the dashboard. To keep your work organized, we'll create a new project. Click the blue button in the top right corner, name it, and hit Create. Morphic's file management is built for creators. You can have multiple projects, and inside those projects, multiple files to keep campaigns organized. Let's rename our first file to Product Photoshoots and click to open the canvas. Once you're on the canvas, look to the top center and click Copilot. This is your AI creative partner. Now, let's bring in your product. In the prompt bar, upload an image from your device. If you're on mobile, you can even snap a fresh photo and attach it instantly. Here is where the magic happens. You don't need to be a prompting expert. Copilot does the heavy lifting. Just describe the vibe you want. For example, type editorial photo shoot of this perfume bottle with a vintage nature luxury aesthetic. Copilot will generate detailed, professional prompts for you. Click the plus icon on the image to set it as your reference. Paste the prompt and specify if you want 10 different shots or specific camera angles, aspect ratio, and click on the blue Generate button. Look at these results. Morphic captured the vintage nature luxury, intricate background details, realistic reflections on the bottle, and consistent lighting that makes it look high-end. This is how quickly you can get diverse, professional shots from a single product image. This works just as well for fashion. Upload your apparel image in the prompt bar and set it as the reference. Then, describe the fashion model you want it to be worn by. And you instantly get a clean lookbook without a physical shoot. Click any image to open it. On the right panel, you'll see the exact prompt and settings used. If you want extra sharpness, just tell Copilot, upscale to maximum quality. After upscaling, everything looks cleaner. Edges, stitching, folds, and highlights. The image feels more premium and stays crisp across any platform. That's it. Create without limits.